Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about a small cap company I have just come across, and I think it has huge upside potential as an investment. This company is called ELMT Nutritional Sciences. They do have a brand new product that is widely distributed, but we are going to be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, as you know, I always give you free stock and free money potentials using my promotions down below. Take advantage of those promotions as this will not last long. So without further ado, I did want to talk about this company that I came across called ELMT Nutritional Sciences and how I came across its product called Rejuvenate, which is a muscle enhancing supplemental drink. So as you know, my mother does suffer from cancer. She has bone marrow cancer and she has a lot of pain and she doesn't have a lot of mobility and movement. So it actually is bringing down her muscle mass. I went to an oncology appointment with her just recently, and the oncologist actually recommended that we get some kind of supplemental drink such as Boost or Ensure. So I actually went with my mom to Sam's Club, our local Sam's Club, and I was looking at all the products that they had on the shelf. And my mom does have diabetes, so I was looking at all the nutritional supplements and looking for something that had low sugar content. Well, I actually came across this product called Rejuvenate. And whenever I was looking at this, I did compare it to the Ensure and the Boost, and I noticed that with Rejuvenate, it did have 15 grams of protein, where the other two had about 9 to 10 grams of protein. But the biggest thing that caught my eye is that it was organic plant protein and not like a milk or soy protein, which is in the Ensure and the Boost. Well, my mom does suffer from allergies from milk protein, so this was a clear choice for me to try the Rejuvenate. Well, once we got home, I actually started to research this to make sure I made the right purchase for my mom. While I was doing this, I came across this company and found out that this product, Rejuvenate, has just recently come out on the market, and it is just now being distributed in the United States market. So let me just show you this product that I did come across. This is the Rejuvenate. It is from Muscle Health. It is very effective. It has that 15 grams of organic plant protein, and it has also been shown through research studies whenever I was looking at this that it does improve muscle mass and muscle growth. So that actually got me thinking, is this a good company to invest in? Because as you know, right now it is a new year. What happens with the new year? A lot of people want to exercise, build muscle. So I started thinking, this would be a very good stock to invest in. And once I started to research this company, the bell hit. This stock right now is dirt cheap. It has huge upward potential and upward movement in your money. But we will be talking about this as this company, as I mentioned, it's called ELMT Nutritional Sciences. It is available in a lot of retail places. So in the United States, it's available all over the world, actually, through Amazon. But in the United States, it focuses on the pharmacies, Walgreens, CVS, but Sam's Club. So right now, according to this company, whenever I did research it, it is going to be sold in over 20,000 locations and stores all over the United States. And it is also going to Canada. As you can see, it does have the Canadian market down here. But so huge potential moving forward, as this is a very nice product. And I do think that it will have very nice potential in its stock. So as I was researching this company, the CEO, Stuart Luther, was actually saying that there is a high growth trajectory. Just in the Q3 2021, they increased their revenue by 249%. And year to date, they did do 212% increase in revenue. This company has huge potential for growth. So now I did want to transition and show you how this stock is doing. It is an OTC on the stock market. It is trading as ELNSF is the ticker. It is currently trading at 25 cents a share. It has been pretty much trading flat in the past 1 week, in the past 5 days. We have tested a high of 27 cents at the beginning February 15th last week. But right now, the lowest point that it is at is 24 cents. So you are actually getting the stock at a very, very nice price. Now, looking back in the past 1 month, this stock has been down 30.8%. It was trading a high of 36 cents on January 10th, but has been sold quite a bit, a low of 23 cents on February 3rd. But definitely you can see that this is a huge downward pressure on this stock, but we have started to see a little bit of bump and a little bit of movement upwards. I do believe that this is now a stabilization point of this stock at about 25 cents. You are getting in this stock at a great, great deal. Now, remember that we have had a huge downward pressure on all stocks, especially new companies, opening companies, because it's going to be very hard for them to raise capital, to raise money because of that huge inflation. The 40-year high inflation has just recently been announced, and it has been 7.5%, which is the highest that it's been since February 2082. That being said, I do believe that this company has great potentials moving forward, and you are getting this price at a very nice, cheap price. Now, we also have that Russian with Ukraine war tension that is also putting a lot of dampener, a lot of huge pressure on the stock market as a whole, as all stocks are going down. But I do believe that out of penny stocks, this does give us very good opportunities to get in the stock, especially being this dirt cheap, in my opinion. Now, if we go back 6 months, I can definitely show you that this stock has just recently debuted on the stock market on October 28th, 2021 at $39.33. It has since fallen, but I am going to be comparing it to a very famous company very, very soon to show you this potential of Element Nutritional Sciences. But this stock, again, went from $39.33 all the way down to $4.80 on November 1st, then had a little bit of a bump up to $6.25 on November 10th. Since then, we have sold off and have been trading under $1. Just very briefly, we did hit $1.13 on December 8th, but since that date, we have been on a downward trend, and we have most recently in the past 2 weeks been trading in the under 30 cents mark. As I mentioned, in the past 1 month, we have seen the stock go as high as 36 cents, as low as 23 cents. So right now, it does give us a very nice buy-in opportunity, especially with this being an OTC, a penny stock. So with penny stocks, there is a huge, huge volatility, huge downward potential, but also huge upward potential. The reason why I wanted to put this on your watch list is that this does have enormous upside potential, as I will be comparing it to another company that makes a very similar product on the market. So this stock does have very, very nice potential, especially with that new product coming out, Rejuvenate. I definitely think that there is a huge potential and a huge market for this stock because it has a huge demand for this product. So if you are a customer, if you are looking to rebuild your muscle and you're looking at the shelves and comparing what is out there as the nutritional supplement, hands down, Rejuvenate is one of the best, if not the best, supplemental muscle building product. And I definitely think it has a huge upside potential. I did just want to compare it to a company that you might know by the name of Atkins. So Atkins is the Atkins diet. If you might know, they do have a supplemental drink, also very high in protein, that does similarly match Rejuvenate, but this is made by the company Simply Good Foods. The reason why I wanted to compare this is because they do have very similar products with that Atkins drinks. Now, Simply Good Foods, its stock just in the past 1 month has been about up 4.2%, but as you can see, it's been low as much as $33.87. This is a good food nutritional supplement that I do believe has a lot of market demand, especially with that elderly population, especially with people that are trying to lose weight or needing to build muscle mass. And so I definitely think that the new company that we are talking about, Rejuvenate, has huge upward potential. But let me just show you this stock. This stock right here, that it has a market cap. It's a lot bigger company, but this is a market cap of $3.65 billion. So it is quite large, but look at the stock price. It is actually almost $38 just in the past one day. We have been down a little bit by 2%, testing a low of $37.43. In the past 1 week, we did hit a high of 4.5% with a high of about almost $40 in this stock. But looking back in 6 months, you can see that this is a stable company. This is a stable stock. And I do think that with the brand new stock, the ELMT Nutritional Sciences does have that potential to start being and moving up from here. Remember, it is a brand new company that have just started this nutritional supplement, Rejuvenate. It is now selling in Sam's. It is now selling across the world, as I mentioned previously in previous slides here. And so it does have huge upside potential with it being so dirt cheap. I did want to put that on your watch list. I definitely think that there is a big demand for this, especially with the new year coming out. A lot of people want to exercise. A lot of people want to build muscle. This is the product, Rejuvenate, that can do that. In addition to this, as with my mother, it definitely helps with muscle building. It does have a lot of additional amino acids that are used to build up the muscle, but it also has a lot of calcium and a lot of other supplements that can be used for bone health, but definitely a very nice product. I am very happy that I found this from my mom, but please take advantage of this. Take a look into this stock. Always please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock, but I think it has a huge upside potential. It should definitely be on your watch list, as this company has a lot of room to go, and it is right now at a steal of a deal. But I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Again, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all so you get my latest downloaded videos. In addition to this, don't forget to share this video with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to spread this channel and increase our viewers. But thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy life. Enjoy one another. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.